What's up guys, welcome to a new one. The L-sit is a static hold where you support yourself with your arm while holding your legs out in front of your body. Some people may think right after seeing the move that you could just jump right into the L-sit by throwing your legs out in front of you, only to figure out how much core strength is required to perform the move. The L-sit requires a lot of muscle group to be able to perform it, like the chest, your triceps, your shoulders, your lats, your quads, your hip flexors. To start learning this move, you need the required body strength, from the part where you hold yourself up to the part where you throw your legs out in front. To perform the L-sit, you need to hold yourself upright. To hold yourself up, you need some tricep and shoulder strength. That is why our first move is gonna be dips. Dips is a really great way of starting to learn the L-sit, because now you're not engaging the abs, just only your triceps and your shoulders. So let's go for 10 reps. You're going to want to lift your knees as high in a bent position for the top. Now this move is really engaging the abs, which is going to further progress you into the next move.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling?
For the next one, we'll go for the single leg L-sit. Let's go.
But it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Now we're gonna move quickly into the next one. Leg extension switch. This next move is a little bit difficult than the next one, because as soon as we put the first leg out in front, we'll bring it in and push the second one out. Let's go. 10 reps each leg. Now, the last one is the L-sit burst. This L-sit burst is just going to simulate the actual movement of an L-sit, except you're going to use a little bit of momentum to go into the L-sit back down, just for 10 reps. Let's go.
Baby, you're a sugar rush. I knew you were given temptation, was craving. You love it, you hate it. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me.
This is really what this workout is gonna improve your moves to. Finally, you're gonna be able to stay in a straight position and perform the L-sit with no momentum needed. Now, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully with these few minutes of practice, you'll be able to hold your L-sit in no time. If you like this video or it helped you in any way, please give it a like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.